condition that you are under that constant stress because of the relationship, because of work setting.
长期的这种压力呢，它可能是来自于我们的这个家庭的压力，来自于我们工作环境的压力。
Third factor, grief. The person lost something very important and he's not been able to overcome that loss. McDonald's and fried foods.
像这个麦当劳，还有这油炸食品
，sodas，
还有这个冷门饮料。
The way you live by your lifestyle.
炎症是由生活方式引起的，长期慢性炎症的最大的问题在哪里？
It is a silent link.
它是就是无法察觉的。
You can accomplish something similar to something like a hot and cold shower.
热交替能够刺激我们的潜意识。
博士有没有感受过中医的这些治疗？
推拿。
I studied massage before I studied medicine.
如果他这一段他从他的症状和他整个一个结构这样一起讲起来。
Chinese, how do you feel?
Oh, and how?